Alright, everybody. What's coming up now is a couple short episodes, a little mini-series on our East Coast road trip we took in 2019, Tricky Nicky and I, Jay Strells. We went down the East Coast all the way down to Daytona Beach, Florida, and back. So we'll give you our short episodes. It's a compilation of personal videos. These videos are more made for us, but we decided to just throw it out there and let everybody enjoy. So we hope you do enjoy. Here it is, East Coast Road Trip 2019, Lodge.USA.
New York City, kid. George Washington Bridge, what the hell? Hey, so much traffic over here. What's going on over here?
Alright, so we got maybe 2 hours of daylight left. We just got down here. It's Myrtle Beach, day 3 on the trip. Just give you a look at what Myrtle Beach is doing here. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, we're gonna go down towards a pier and see what's going on.
The boardwalk.
The boardwalk, kid. And I just want to put this guy on camera real quick.